going to show you how to use the Citizen Science Tahoe app so that you can help contribute to our monitoring research projects. To start, you need to download the Survey 123 app on your device. I just looked it up in the App Store on my phone, and it was the first one to come up, so that ArcGIS Survey 123, and I'm just waiting for it to download. Now you can open it up, make sure that it's working. You can say yes to it using your camera, that way you can take pictures of the algae or whatever you're reporting. So now that you have the app on your phone, you're going to open up your browser and go to the citizensciencetahoe.org website. And this is where you can download surveys. So you can download any of these surveys just by clicking on them. I'm doing the Algae Watch survey because that's the one that we use the most. And it just takes you right to the survey and you can fill out your observations. So just for an example, I'm going to do some algae that I saw at Memorial Point, which was attached to rocks, and it was brown/tan. So you're just going to fill out all of these questions. It's pretty straightforward. And then after you filled out the survey questions, it's going to ask for location and image. So if you allow the app to use your location while using the app, then it will automatically populate the location where you enter the survey, but you can also just click on the map and move it around to wherever you saw the algae. Now you can add images, either using your camera or from your photos on your phone. You can add comments and observations. And then lastly, you'll just fill out the observer information, so that's your name and your email. And then to submit it, you're just going to click that check mark on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. If you don't want to submit your survey right now, you can click the X mark on the top left-hand corner of your screen, and then you can save it as a draft. And then to access that draft, you'll just click on your surveys, you'll click drafts at the bottom of your screen, and that can allow you to see your past drafts. You can then click on it, update it, and then either submit it, again using that check mark, or you can delete it.